Hi everyone, this is Mom Loves AG Dolls too, and it is giveaway time! Yay! I wanted to say thank you so very much for over 500,000 views in total on my channel. That's over 500,000 views for all my videos, which is about 190 videos right now. So no, none of my videos went viral. It's just that I like to celebrate every little milestone that I can, and this one just amazes me. The number is like astronomical. So here I have baby Cindy with me, and she's going to help me do the giveaway for the reborn side. Say hi, baby Cindy. Hi, everybody. And you can also have a baby doll. Doesn't have to be a reborn to get these prizes. So let's get started. The first prize is going to be this adorable little onesie. And it says it's all good. It's got the cute little owls and a little bird. And I paired it up with this dark purple 3-tiered skirt. And both of these are newborn size, so they will fit pretty much any baby doll. And then baby Cindy has something in her hands that she doesn't even want to part with, but it is part of the giveaway. So sorry, baby Cindy, I got to show this little guy. This is a little lovey. Now, what baby doesn't need a lovey? This one is dressed like a little pig. See how cute? It's got piggies on his feet. Or her feet, I should say, because she's all pink. And she's got the cute little piggy ears. And on the back, she even has a cute little, like, curly cute tail from a pig. So super cute. So you will get those 3 prizes. If you are the winner, there will be one winner picked at random. All you need to do is be a subscriber, of course, and then just say enter me, and I'm going to ask a question just for fun. And the question is, what would you like to see happen on your YouTube channel? Would you like one of your videos to go viral? Would you like your whole channel to go viral? Would you like to get a job from being on YouTube? Whatever it is. And if you're not interested in anything YouTube related, then just let us know about a crazy dream that you might have. In my case, my crazy dream ever since I was a little girl is to be an animated voice character. When I was little, I loved watching the Flintstones and the Jetsons, and now with all these animated movies, who wouldn't love to be part of that? So just give us an answer just for fun, but you don't have to answer it if you don't want to. And go ahead and subscribe quickly because I tell you, baby Cindy doesn't want to give up that baby doll. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Bye.